29. Foul number 29, Jagi. Number 10 nakabang. Number 7, pero wala. Agawan. Red ball. Science ball. Okay, number 9. Number 22. Let's go pushing. Pero may foul. Seconds on the shot clock. PCIS with the possession stolen by number 2. Now 22 pushing. Really good. Balik ang possession sa RTSA. Number 7. Double team. At nakagawa ng number 9. Number 2. Nakakatawa ng bola number 7. Pinasakay number 7. Number 7.
Okay, lalim!
Lagi naman! Ay, sinatay.
Tumawag kayo ng ball sa kabila!
Foul.
Laban na si Maki.
Who's foul left?
Joy! Ano sa tawag, Joy?
Centennia.
Down!
IPSA's third team foul. Isiyatok City.
Hala!
Parinangin po ang mga hindi ba na ipapasok.
Maki! Magsagutan mo yan! Tulak mo, ulit lang yan! Maki, baksok!
Ministran City.
Yan! Alak, Maki!
Nakuha pa rin ang PCIS ang bola number 11. Binigay kay location ng mapasahan. Binigay kay number 7 with 9 seconds on the shot clock. For Troy! The rebound. Yung IBSA ang bola. Number 29 pushing. Diretso. Hindi pumasok ang bola. Good.
Kasama!
Substitution.
Sabon!
Foul number 1.
Bola! Joy!
Substitution. Number 1, that's your second personal foul. 14 foul for IPSA Science.
Ayan naman, kinain ni Lord.
Rebound, Yusuf, rebound! Yusuf, rebound! Wala!
And that is good for number 17. The score is 14 all. 4 minutes and 41 seconds.
Mavi! Red ball.
Too early to enter the shaded lane. The ball is now in the IPSA side.
Debol, Kyle, debol!
Number 9 being guarded. Pass to number 22. Everything is a red ball. 200 number 12. IPSA bigyan kay number 9. With 350 seconds left in the second period. Out of bounds. Ground shoot, nagkakala ng bola. Now itawid. Seconds on the shot clock. 12 seconds. Substitution, number 28 in. Number 14 out. Meron ba itong hindi napapasok? Number 9. Binigay niya 25, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Nakuha pa rin ni number 9. Tingin sa loob. And 8 seconds on the shot clock. 8 seconds. Substitution. IPSA, clear na.
Let's go,
Dalawa pa po sa PCI sa pinakapasok. 6 seconds on the shot clock. Nagpapalitan pa ng ng lamang. Number 9, binigay niya number 22, jump shot. Number 9, offensive rebound. Rebound by number 16. 71 pushing. Tap out by number 28. Shot clock at 17 seconds.
Tignan mo si Maki!
Substitution.
Maki! Taasan mo kamay!
Number 11. Dribbling. Nag-aanap ng mga papasahan. Thank you. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Long kill. Rebound by number 24, Mario. Mario pushing.
Ay, traveling!
It's a traveling. Time out. ng PCIS. Walang gusto
Isang shoot lang yan,
iwan sa larong ito. Okay.
That timeout was brought to you by Dar Asia Medical Center, Boba Tea, Little Caesars, Arsenal Stores, Racing Kings, Gina's Kakanin, John Rabies Water Sports, Bart and Christian Beach. Back to you, Sir Rodolio.
Thank you, Ma'am Jane. We only have 33 seconds left in the second period, with PCIS Falcons leading by 2 points.
Alam mo, pag malapit ka dito.
Kompleto na rin po ang mga players na naipasok. Heading towards the second half of the ball game. Once again, this is a championship match between PCIS and IPSA for the U13 category. PCIS number 11 nagkagala ng bola. Naghanap ang mapapasahan with 14 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds. Number 11. Number 20. Sikat-sikat sa nagdadala ng bola. Binigay niya 22. And it's a jump ball. Falcons ball. Bola po ng PCIS. Timeout. It's a silence.
They now avail of the Pisa merchandise sa labas po. Meron po tayong booth. Marina po kayo, bumili po kayo ng Pisa merchandise.
Hello? Ah, Lucian is this? Huh? You're already in the black game? Okay, okay, we'll call my... Give me STCP number, I will send STCP number, okay?
Shot clock is up with 5 seconds left in the second period.
Agaw! Agaw! Bakit? Agaw!
And that's the end of the first half. With PCIS Falcons leading by 2 points, 17-15.
Special thanks to the following families, Mr. and Mrs. Choi Morgan and family, Sir Enrique Peking and family, Sir Joseph and Nicola Robinson and family, and Sir Robert Ortega. We may now avail of the Pisa merchandise. Sa labas po, available na po siya.